Hello everyone, I am Golden Ashwini from Rogini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari district. We are going to see controlling. So we know that controlling is a process of managerial process. So control is one of the most important elements of management. Okay, so which guides the activity towards some predetermined goals. Okay, so we already seen in the previous videos planning and controlling. Okay, so we can say that planning and controlling are twins of management function. So planning is the deciding of goals and objectives and also the means of reaching them. Controlling helps manager to identify if the organization is on track for goal achievement, and if not, why not. A well developed plan should provide benchmarkers that can be used in the control process. So on completion of this video, students will be able to explain why controlling is necessary, and they can also explain what is meant by controlling and what are the importance of controlling. So, controlling, according to Donald, just as a navigator continually takes reading to ensure whether is relative to a planned action, so should a business manager continually take reading to assure himself that his enterprise is on right course. So, we can say control means the measurement of actual performance and taking corrective action. Okay, controls serve other important roles, including helping managers cope with detecting irregularities, identifying opportunities, handling complex situation, and decentralizing authorities. So, controlling is the process of regulating organizational activities so that actual performance conforms to expected organizational goals and standards. So, controlling measures the deviation of actual performance from the standard performance and discovers the causes of such deviation and also helps in taking corrective actions. Then characteristics of controlling. We are here having a 6 characteristics. What are that? Controlling process is universal. Controlling is a continuous process and action based, forward looking, and is closely related to the planning. And controlling is a pervasive function. Okay, we can say a controlling process is universal. That means controlling is an essential function in any organization such as industrial unit, university, government office, hospital, etc. Then the second one is controlling is a continuous process. So controlling is a never ending activity on the part of managers. So it is a non-stop process. The manager watches the operation of the management and to see whether they are going towards the desired end, and if not, actions are not taken to correct them. Okay, then the third one is controlling is action based. That is nothing but action is an essential element of the controlling. So controlling is action which ensure the performance according to the decided standards. Then the fourth one is controlling is forward looking. Forward looking. So control is linking with the future but not with the past. So a proper control system prevents losses and minimizes the wastages. It acts as a preventive measure. Then the fifth one is control is closely related to planning. So planning gives the direction to various business activities while controlling verifies and measures the performance of these activities and suggests a proper measure to remove the deviations. Then the last one is controlling is the pervasive function. So it means it is performed by managers at all levels in all types of concerns. Importance of Controlling. Okay, we are here having a policy verification, adjustment in operation, psychological pressure, coordination, employee moral, efficiency, and effectiveness. So, importance or needs of controlling. First one is policy verification. That is nothing but controlling helps to review, revise, and update the plan. In this process, organization and management can verify the quality of various policies. Next one is adjustment in operation. Then controlling system acts as an adjustment in organizational operations. Controlling provides this glow by finding out whether the plan are being observed and the suitable progress towards the objective is being made for corrective any deviations if necessary. Then the third one is psychological pressure. So controlling process puts a psychological pressure on individual for better performance. The sound control system inspires employees to work hard and give better performance. Then the fourth one is coordination. Coordination controlling process helps to emerge the coordination of the subordinates in the organization. So control ensure the coordination of activities of different departments through unit of directions. This is coordination. Then employee moral. So employee moral controlling creates an atmosphere of order and discipline in the organization. Hence, it improves the employee moral, which results the improved performance and higher productivity. Then the last one is efficiency and effectiveness. A proper controlling ensure the organizational efficiency and effectiveness. The organization is effective if it is able to achieve its objective. Since the controlling focuses on the achievement of organizational objectives, it is necessarily leads to organizational effectiveness. Okay, these are the importance of controlling. The next one is quiz questions. So name the function of management which is concerned with monitoring organizational performance towards the attainment of organizational goals. So the first option is planning, second organizing, third controlling, and fourth none of the above. Go find the answer yourself. What is not a point of important of controlling? First option is accomplishing organizational goals. Second one is efficient use of resources. Third one is ensure order and discipline. Fourth one is all of the above. Go find the answer yourself. And thanks for listening this session.